Okay, let's continue with the tables. Now we are going for tables. Now from here let's break as we used to do. Break. Tag. Now we are going on tables. Say first write tag table. Then inside a table there is a table heading and a table data. But before that, we go for a table row. We write a row, press enter. Then inside a row we can put table headings. Table heading something like serial number, serial number, name, I just come here, th head, name, then th, that's table data, header, let's say something like allocation. Now let's see what's next. Then we make a table row again for entering data above data. The data that should be entered above, let's say 100. No. Just say table data 100 for the first. And then with the first one, table D, name, which is Alfred. Then DD, say it's the location, Texas. Like that. Okay, let's check. It's 100. That's the serial number. That's the number with the name and location, Texas. Now, if you come here and you copy this, then you paste. You end up with a table with very many entrances. I think you see that. Now if you come here and change percent 101, let's change to Apex. He lives in Kampala. 102. This is Jerry. She lives in UAE. This is Trey. Alan. He lives in Tokyo. 104. Ryan lives in Sudan. 105. Peter lives in Togo. Now look at that. This stands to be a table. Now if you bring in CSS for the table, you can design this table to look quite good. But since you're under introduction of HTML basics, we shall not talk about that today. We shall talk about in other series of our lessons. Now there you can achieve a table. Let's continue with other things. We have lists. let's break. Again, have lists, ordered lists. Inside the list, there's list tag also, which is let's say orange, something like same class orange. Then list mangoes, let's say list banana, then we can check our list. This is an ordered list and you see it is numbered. Yes, let's go for an ordered list. Yeah, then we just copy this. Now, for the situation where I want to see the ordered list, you use OL. Use lists inside open list and close list. Yeah. Then for an ordered list, you can see that you can achieve that. These are two different tags. You can achieve different things. Now, for that one, you have detail list. Like let's go on DL. Now DL. Okay, I'm going to explain it later, but let me first write it. Yeah, tag inside the T. Say country. Shall see where I can use it. Country. Then from there, DD. Can put Uganda. China. This is the D. China. It's China. Then strike through T. Okay. Save youths. It's the mangoes. Let's say apple. Let's put the last one. The oranges, something like that. Okay, now I think if we have everything, the situation where you have the lists where something country, then Uganda, China, they provide a certain paragraph. The DD in full is called what? Let me see. Their lists, description lists, I think. Then they are called description lists. Then let me see, the element represents an association lists consisting of 0 or more name, value, group at the description list. Then a name value group consists of one or more names, the T elements, followed by one or more values of the D elements, ignoring any node other than the T and the D elements within the single D element. There should not be more than the T element for each name. Then it's not very clear, but if you, in some situations where you find that you need this description list, something like this, country with Uganda and China, something like that, and other countries, then say all fields and see the output is like this, you can achieve it. You can even put the back end on it and everything becomes clear. Then from there we can continue with other HTML tags like navigation bar. See the power of nav bar. Nav bar. Sometimes you have links. Let's set the index at first. Let's leave that. Control C, Control V, VVV, something like that. So home page, say about us, contact, components of the contact us, about us, contact us, about us, then home, then what are other components? Home page, about us. Let's just stop on those ones. If we do that project, we shall see. We shall put the real ones. Now, home, about us, and contact. Yes, even services. Okay, let's put services also. Services. Okay, something like that. These are our links on the top, most of the times on the navigation bar. If you tap on it, it takes you on another page, it takes you on another page. Yes. Of that. We shall be using them also as how we do other things. Well, there are other tags, yeah, like you see this now, this situation, you see this select tag, select, inside select there is options, Z. Inside the opening there's options, then inside you can copy the options, Control C, yeah, let's say in the options we have apple, apple mangoes, see that apple, mangoes, and others, onions. Okay, let's check it out. See that apples, if you come here and tap on apples, you will see this. you shall meet these and different situations. If you select mangoes, it will go sorry. If you select onion, others, it will go that. If you select onions, it will do that. Okay. Let's again copy this, Ctrl C, and this Ctrl V. We write the word. Let's say selected. Yeah. Okay. Where we have I think this Ctrl X, and I'll put it, let's say, on mangoes, Ctrl V. Okay. So far, when you render the output, you will discover that at first note, apples, let me try to render. If you choose something else, then you render. Okay, it's like this. For situations, let me try to first the code X, then Ctrl Z. Didn't make a meaning. Yes, we don't have it. Now Ctrl Z. Okay, the browser is keeping it. But for this case, mangoes, it will be selected, but it's not the first value. I'm just trying the selected thing. Then there is the word also. Sometimes let's again copy this. Then Ctrl V. Instead of selected, delete it. Go here and put disabled. Come here, you will find that others are disabled. Even if you tap in it, you don't get it. That's how you achieve it on others disabled for this way. Okay. Now from there, check. We still have quote tag. Array is true tag. What? It's inside the quotes. That one is the redirect for that tag. Then there is other tags like site. Let's try the site. See the output site. It is like italicized. Something like italicized, but there is also italic tag. Say BR and write hi. Italic. Italize. Okay. Something like that. See the italize. Let me check it out whether we have other remaining tags. We have a field set and let me just do it very fast. Field set. Inside the field set there is always a legend. Legends like for title, it's a form. Then the other one is the input. Let's write this in name. Input. Set. Input. Have that. Ctrl C. Ctrl V. Ctrl Z. H. Thing like whatever you can put, second name, say given name, given name, something like, but I want to see the output. This is the output. This is the field set with the heading. It's a login form. Then with the output, something like this. Then let's differentiate it from a form. For the form, it has no boundary. Then you can just enter here in between the form tags. Copy this input, then put between the form tags. Now I think you see this. There is no boundary here. See that? Yes, if you want to break, so be here, and be here. Yeah, you can see that. Since be here. Okay. This is the form, this is the field set. There is a difference. Okay. Now, other the back end things we shall see there in future. We shall see that in future. You can even put the input of the button. For you submit. Okay. Copy that. To see. Put it up in the field state. There's always submit button. Yeah, submit. Yes. Control X. Submit should be at the end. Makes sense. Yes. Let's continue with the text area. Text area. See the output in the form, and just copy the output here. You just cut because the button should be down here. Okay, like that. Then we again copy the text area. Just copy the text area, then into our field state. Then above the button, just read the here. Try something like a message. Then Control V. I think you see. Let's see here. Below the message, in some situations where I find that you need a lot of output, a lot of input, let's say you have a message or a user wants to input a lot big text, you have to put a text area to provide a large input field. You have details, summary, then inside summary we have paragraphs. Say write something like China, then from there write India, Chile. Let's check out the output. I think you see this. Lacking something in our summary. This one shouldn't be like that. Let's copy this crossing tag of the summary. X, let's cut it. And come and paste here. So it's a countries, something like that. Okay. For situations where you find that there are quantities of details can help us in these situations. If you tap on this drop down, it will provide you with different functions in that drop down. We can again add more. I can again add more on this. We can be some with comments, we can be with fields, we can consider fields, we can consider very many other things. Let's copy this. Control-C, Control-V, and again make summary again. Let's try this summary again. See this? We are not doing it perfectly. See a detail. See. Okay. Again. Okay. Let's copy, paste here. We have this. Then we again try details. Then let's say we write into the details. Write summary. Let's say we write something like fields. Then love. Fruits we have mangoes. Mangoes. We have mangoes, apples. Okay, another thing. Orange. Okay, let's check it out with our output. Now remember we have these situations where you find that BL. Then for the situations where you find that you have something like these countries, then inside countries you have another drop down, let's say fields, but you look for the related data. That's what you use. When you tap on fields, you also see a drop down to look at divisions. Now, divisions, we shall use them. Now you can see the impact, but we shall always place our elements in between here. We make borders, we make designs within the divisions. You see the power of divisions in and can. We shall be placing attributes in between the division tags like that. Then press the attributes, then we target it using CSS as we shall be seeing in the future. But now it won't show any change or difference. But in future videos we shall see that in sections like that. In between, kind of we have divisions inside the sections, and we are targeting all this and make changes on them using the CSS. You can use classes like, you can use attributes like classes, IDs, and many others. Can put with can put even the inline CSS. But now this is not our concern. I think we are done. According to the intro, since we started this thing, from where we started, now can end from here. Yes, we can end from here. Then we see what we shall do next. The next topic will be about the introduction on CSS. We see some virtual designs. Then we go in the real designing of CSS. This modern and old CSS. They are flexbox. They are everything that you shall see now. This is the web skeleton, but the CSS will help us to design it to become more beautiful. Okay, let's end from here. I wish you a nice time. Subscribe to our new YouTube channel, then we shall be getting notified all the time to post a video. Also, ask questions in the comments, like the videos. Thank you. We meet.